Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have the 2019 Toyota Camry XSE. This vehicle competes against the Honda Accord and also the Chevy Malibu. So my question for today's video is, should you pick the Camry or should you pick the Honda Accord? That's what we're here to find out. So we have the powertrain specs for the 2019 Toyota Camry. So this is a 3.5 liter V6. It makes 301 horsepower. So unfortunately, you can't get a V6 in the actual updated Honda Accord. You'll not have to get their 1.5 turbo, so a 2 liter as well. But this makes more horsepower than the Chevy Malibu and also the Accord. So this has a upper advantage compared to the actual Accord. Foot-pounds of torque, it makes 267. This is an 8-speed automatic transmission, but in the 2.0 you can also get a 10-speed automatic transmission. So the Accord has an upper advantage compared to this particular trim. As this one sits, it weighs 3,597 pounds. Fuel economy is 22 in the city, 32 on the highway, and 26 combined. Regular fuel is recommended. Front face of the 2019 Toyota Camry. So starting with these headlights, these are a projector LED light. You also have an LED daytime running light with an LED turn signal. You also have your Toyota emblem here. I actually like this grille. It's a two-tone exterior color. I apologize for the noise. You also have some good body lines that you guys can't really see because the exterior color, they're not aggressively designed, besides this little portion here that's connected to your side fender. You also have this front lip spoiler with this aluminum brushed lip here. We're going to take a look at the side profile of the Camry. The side profile of the Camry. So starting off with these wheels, these are a 235/40 tire, 19-inch rim. I actually like the silver accents that this one has with the black gloss wheels. You also have your Toyota emblem in here as well. I actually like the multi-spoke design. You also have this two-tone roof with the black mirror caps, which is a $500 option, but I will prefer to get this because of the white. It gives the white more of a characteristic. Your wheelbase is 111.2 with the overall length of 192.7. This also has the 4 disc brakes, just like the actual Honda Accord. I actually like the body lines. You also have keyless entry for the driver. But we're going to take a look at the rear of the Camry. The rear of the Camry. So starting with these taillight fixtures back here, it is a full LED setup. You also have an LED turn signal with an LED reverse light, also with an LED brake light. You also have reflectors here with quad exhaust. I wish the rear diffuser would have been black, just how the actual two-tone roof is. With that two-tone roof package, you also get the rear spoiler, which is black as well. You also have your Toyota emblem with the Camry name spelled out. You also have the XSE badge back here as well. Also, it's not a power lift gate or power trunk release or anything like that. You have 15.1 cubic feet of space. And Toyota actually gives you a spare tire back here, which I think is nice. So you basically have to do with a fix-a-fat kit. We're gonna take a look at the interior of the Camry. Let's go subscribe to the Lux vlog over there, getting to 900 guys. So starting off with the key fob here, you have your traditional Toyota key, you have your lock, unlock, your trunk release, also have your panic button. This doesn't have the remote start. You guys can press a little ridge portion here with your finger. It does lock the door to unlock the door. Toyota does a sensor. It kind of like you didn't want to open that first. But your materials up here is going to be a hard touch plastic. You guys have this brushed aluminum. Door handle, you also have this, your window switches here, your unlock switches and lock switch. You also can lock the rear windows, well basically all windows with the switch. It is express up, express down for all 4 windows. You have this nice padded portion to rest your elbow. You also have 2 cup holders with a little bit of storage here. You also have your driver seating here with your lumbar support and seating adjustments. You also have these automatic high beam with this stability control. It's missing a couple buttons here, I'm not sure why. You also have your trunk release. Also have this for your fuel cap release as well. The steering wheel is a manual telescoping wheel. So getting inside, I'm gonna close the door here. Door has a nice solid slam. My bad, I mean lucky out. So to fire up the Camry, just put the foot on the brake and press the start button here. This has a 3.5 liter V6. It makes 301 horsepower. You want to burn up in it, it's hot. Turn it off. So you also have your RPM layout and you also have your speedo layout. You also have this LCD display here to cycle through different functions. With this, you also have the eco indicator. It's telling me that the fuel is low. You also have different. You also have the Toyota safety sense, which includes lane keep assist, forward collision warning, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert. You also have your, and this also has a heads-up display. If you guys can see it, let me zoom in so you guys can see it, which is nice. You also tell your speedometer, park, and also your RPM with the lane keep assist. You can cycle through more functions here. You also have your pre-collision assist, just like the safety sense I already read through already, but Toyota makes that standard. Some other companies make you pay for the safety sense, just like Chevy makes you pay for it, and and Honda doesn't make you pay for it. So Toyota and Honda doesn't make their safety sense that you have to basically pay for it. You also have some buttons here. This helps you cycle through the LCD display. You also have your volume controls with voice command. You also have your different functions here for your forward collision warning. You also have a lane keep assist, control settings. You also have different modes to cycle through your radio presets. My bad, guys. I ain't trying to get copyright. You also have your sync and your track here. Putting the vehicle into reverse. You also have this grainy backup camera. You also have different modes here. You can make it shorter. You also can expand the view, and you also can turn your guidelines off. But me personally, I'll probably zoom on. You also have trajectory with distance markers. You also have a sport mode with 8 gears, which is nice. You guys can shift to different gears. You also have paddles on the wheel, but they're plastic. You also have eco, normal, sport, auto hold with electronic parking brake, 3-level heated seats. You also have hard touch buttons here. You have a CD player, which I never thought I would see in the Toyota product. That kind of caught me off guard. I didn't know it was a CD player in here. You also have a big volume and this tiny tuning knob here. I actually like the hard touch buttons. This is a dual climate control. You also have a USB down here with a aux with a 12 volt. But sometimes I feel that it's hard to reach in this spot here because the shifter is kind of in the way and the camera's not focusing. It's my fault. You also have a wireless charging pad, which is very nice. You also get that on the Honda Accord as well. You also have 2 cup holders here. And I actually like this, the way how the center stack is. It has like this funky looking design to it, in my honest opinion. You also have this material here, which is a hard touch. You also have this brushed aluminum paint like trim, which I think is nice. That's why the Accord, it doesn't have all this. Unfortunately, you guys have to go like to a higher trim to get like different color seats and all that. But this particular trim, I was looking for the actual red seat, but they didn't have it here at the dealer, so I had to get the one with the black seat. And it does have full LED lights throughout the whole cabin. Where you going? I got Steve in the back, guys. You guys also subscribe to his YouTube channel. You also have two more USBs, two more USBs in here with this tiny center console. But the seats in here, unfortunately, they're just heated. They're not cooled. This panel sunroof, but on the Accord, I'm not sure if the Accord offers a panel sunroof. I know for sure they offer a moonroof or a sunroof. Your materials here up part of your dash is a soft touch, and also on top of your instrument panels is a soft touch. Overall, the materials in here are really nice. We're gonna take a look at those back seats. So getting into the back seat of the Toyota Camry. Closing the door. The door has a nice solid slam to it. The materials back here gonna be a hard touch plastic, but in some areas it does have a soft touch material. You also have this brushed aluminum door handle. It is express up, express down for the rear windows as well. You also have this soft portion, guys, to rest your arm. You also have 2 cup holders with additional storage, 2 map pockets. You also have rear vents back here. The floor is not completely flat, but Toyota rates this at 38 inches of leg room. Compared to the Honda Accord, you can get 41 or 42 inches of leg room for the back seats. The seats back here, Toyota didn't cheap out back with the seats back here in the materials. Nice quality leather. You also get 2 cup holders with a nice portion, guys, to rest your arm. And this panel sunroof lets in a great additional light. You also have LED lights throughout the cabin. We're gonna talk about pricing for the 2019 Toyota Camry. And pricing for the 2019 Toyota Camry XSE trim, base price starts off at $34,850. This does have some optional equipment. Special color, which is $395. You also have the two-tone black metallic roof with spoiler, which is $500. You also have the Toyota Guard, which is 2 oil changes, and the filter, which is $699. You also have the paint protection, which includes the door handle, the hood, which is $618. You also have the carpet mats, which is $329. You also have the phone cable, which is $73. With this Camry stickers for $42,407. And the Accord fully loaded, the 2.0 T starts off at $36,270. So my choice was, if I were to pick one of these vehicles, in my honest opinion, I would go for the Accord due to the fact that it looks better than the actual Camry, but the Camry has more horsepower. It has a better looking interior compared to the actual Accord. So special thanks to Wilford for providing me with the vehicle. If you're in the market for a 2019 Toyota Camry, you guys can come to South Dade Toyota. This is my full review on the 2019 Camry XSE. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Driving Reviews, and please keep subscribing to Driving Reviews YouTube channel. I'll catch you guys in the next video. We're gonna take a look at the rear of the Accord. We're gonna take a look at the rear of the Camry. Oh my God, I actually said Accord.